Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Islamic Audio Books, where you can listen to Islamic audios anytime, anywhere. This application has four main categories with Quran, Hadith, Seerah, and Azkar. Easily search for any audios or files using the search option and typing the keywords in English or Urdu as seen here. Use the repeat option to listen to any audios again and again. This will be helpful in learning new duas. Also share your audio files on social media just by clicking on the share icon. If you liked an audio file and would like to listen to it later, just click on the heart icon and it will be saved in favorites, which can be accessed using the menu option. Download any file by clicking on the download icon and you can listen to it later even in offline mode by accessing the menu option. If you experience any trouble using the application, kindly get in touch with us using the feedback option or go through the frequently asked questions.